Hey, guess what we're gonna make today? With all these ingredients in our It's 10 p.m. at night and we're gonna make scrambled egg with spam. Yeah, there's some branded spam.
Branded spam. Maybe it's exactly the same, what the hell?
It's the same brand.
Yeah,
The
but
brand
it's
is spam.
oh my god, they got this one eh.
Ooh, garlic fried rice. But we can make it ourselves.
But you can just buy it. You can buy all this kind of shit. Kenny fucking love microwave food.
Microwave food is easy to make.
What about the frozen cocktails?
They are on a diet.
No, but it's frozen cocktails.
But you need to put it in the freezer, right?
Yeah, but that's pretty cool, no?
We can make it ourselves, what?
Oh my god, like every Asian parent says, hey, oh my god, mommy, we have frozen cocktails. We have frozen cocktails at home. There are frozen cocktails at home.
There is. This is just overpriced frozen cocktail. Yeah, your arms look huge. Eh?
I don't want to should we go over there? Over there?
No, you must kick more. I think if you put it down. why we here?
We send this one so little. I want the original one, the original one. What's the right side one? What's the difference with the right side and the middle one?
I don't know. Oh, this one people, this one is the original one.
But is it the same weight?
Yeah? No, this is heavier. But this is way more expensive. It's 70.
This is how many grams?
100, that's 70. Okay lah, actually it's around there. It's $5 and $7. 30 grams. You want? You can get one. You can get so many. I want to get a trail mix. Help me pick one. Help me pick one.
POV, this is your girlfriend and you're dragged to go buy groceries. POV.
POV, yeah, stalker.
Then you won't be talking to me.
Pick one.
This not.
Both looks good, eh?
This looks better.
Really?
Yeah. Cause got like dried
I'll
fruits.
get both lah.
Oh my fucking god. Hey, this thing, they like this shit eh.
What is that?
The nougat biscuit, you know? Taiwan have one. It's like immediately it's nougat and it's like sweet and salty.
You want? Yeah,
I don't want lah, but I just say it's nice.
Lame ah. Behind. Behind. Okay, what next? Wait, my fingers hurting. I'm carrying everything and you carry the spam.
Hey, you think this is very light, huh? You think this is very light? It's very heavy eh.
Look at me, I'm carrying the egg.
Okay, eggs is not very heavy.
Cannot drop.
Okay.
I need to hold
Then
my
seaweed practically weighs nothing. Oh my god.
No, it's bulky ah. Yours is easier to hold. Wait, master, let's go already.
Go lah. Sorry. You need to talk to the camera, bro.
Say what?
It,
Hey, guess what we're gonna make today? With all these ingredients in our we have eggs, seaweed, cheese, nuts, spam.
this is my favorite section.
Let's buy some eggs.
Yeah.
Let's buy some tom yum.
What you want? I take what you want?
This big cup. Two. I think that's enough. my god, then every night I'm hungry, I go just.
Yes, it is. I might go to jail now. Hey, you see, you can so many hands, you carry more. Okay lah, we cannot.
If the egg drop, right?
We cannot let there be videographical evidence that I bully you. Baby, can I please carry everything for you? Can I please help you carry everything?
No.
You don't want? Alright then. You're an independent woman and I will never infringe upon that.
It's already inside there.
Inside where?
The video, that you bully me.
Since when?
Since like 20 minutes ago when you told me.
So how did I bully you?
Let me take everything.
Yeah, because you wanted.
That's gonna be the thumbnail. I hold everything.
Because you wanted. Because you want to carry everything.
No, you can have it lah.
No, I'm okay if you want it.
We go there. We go there. This is the free snack that we got from our grocery shopping. Egg rolls.
I like to double it and pass it on to the next person.
What?
I like to double it and pass it on to the next person.
Double what?
For me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's It's not for me to say.